Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a video that I've never really seen anybody else like do this video before. So maybe somebody out there must have done this video, like they have to have done. But we came up with the idea and we are going to be doing like sound effects. So basically it's like quick fire sound effects. So like Kaya will like,
I've got a list.
Yeah, she's got a list of sound effects and she has to say them. I have to make the sound effects noise and then we'll have to see how many we can get in like 3 minutes and then obviously vice versa. So yeah, that's it basically.
Yeah.
So
let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay. I feel like I'm going to be terrible at this. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Aeroplane passing.
Oh god.
Right, go on then. Baby crying. Bird singing. Car horn sound.
What?
Car horn sound. Cat meowing. Clock chiming.
What is that?
Clock chiming is in like when it goes, when it does the
Ding!
yeah. Cow mooing.
Moo.
Howling. So like a dog. Okay. Cricket chirping. Have you put that down?
Yeah.
Cricket chirping. That'll do. Cuckoo clock.
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
Dialing a telephone.
Beep boop bop bop beep boop boop.
Dog barking.
Woof 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 woof.
Drum beat.
Who's the bass?
Frog croaking.
Rabbit, rabbit.
Glass shattering. Phone ringing.
Ring ring.
Baby rattle shaking. You got to make it with your mouth.
Oh,
I don't know what that is. Siren wailing.
Nino, Nino, Nino.
Thunder. Train.
Choo choo.
Trumpet.
Oh, pop, 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 pop.
Twanging harp. That is not a harp. Right, skip that one. A referee whistle. Wait. Keys jingling. Pages turning.
How can you do that?
Door slamming.
Ah!
Did your door make that noise? Bloody hell!
I got 23. I'm sorry, but how can you make some of those noises, like with your mouth? How is that even possible? Pages turning. Fucking pages turning. What the hell? That's snow.
For pages turning, you just go. Just like
You're
that.
gonna be so good at this.
Ready?
Yeah.
Right, go.
Man speaking.
Oh, in it, mate.
Flushing toilet. Pouring liquid. Toothbrushing. Woman speaking.
Hello.
Car accelerating. So good. Typing. Car engine starting. Running water. Breathing. Keys jangling. Dishes clanking.
Clink, clink.
Ringtone.
Bring, 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 bring.
Microwave.
Bing.
Dog barking.
Woof, woof.
Road traffic.
Meow.
Zip.
Meow. What?
Zip. Like on a jacket. Scratching. Chopping food. Computer startup sound. Frying.
Pancake. You don't fry a pancake.
Okay. Helicopter. Car skidding.
Horn.
Baby talk. Hello. Scissors cutting. Doorbell.
Bing bong.
Applause.
It's really hard to do.
Hairdryer.
It sounds like in my ear.
A kettle whistling.
Toot.
Big band music.
Oh bloody hell. Toot, 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 toot.
Shuffling cards.
You didn't say noise.
A cello.
Bloody hell.
How many did you get?
32.
Oh. Okay.
Mine are harder than yours. Fucking computer startup sound.
Yeah, it's like, oh, when you switch on my brother's computer, it goes like. It goes like. Makes weird noise. It's like. I'm just like that for a bit.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, so it's obviously clear that Kaya won that round. She got 32 and I got 23, so love that. And now we're gonna do like a like we have to. Are we like
doing a
what
song? Like you got to. The other person got to guess the song, but this person, so like me, will be like singing the song, but in a weird way. So it's gonna be hard to guess.
Yeah. Okay. So who's singing first?
You go first because you started last time.
I'll sing first. Okay.
I've got to guess.
I need to think about those songs now.
So are we doing it? How many songs you can guess in 3 minutes again?
Yeah. So you're doing that, yeah. Okay.
You got them?
I mean, no, but...
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. No tears left to cry. Be alright.
I don't know.
Side to side? Every day.
Yeah.
Shotgun.
Yeah. Oh gosh, I love songs.
God is a woman.
Yeah. I'm running out of like things.
Just keep doing Ariana. I know them.
I will. I'm running out of like.
Just keep doing the same thing. No. Imagine. It's the right song. Imagine a world like that. I know what it is. It's the first one on the album, but I can't think of the name. I know the words, I just don't know the song. I know, but like I can't think of the name. Just skip that one.
Right.
What was that one?
Raindrops.
That's it. Yeah.
Songs. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god.
Breathe in. Really good.
No.
Every day. Oh my god, what is it?
Bad decisions.
That's the one. I don't know the one.
Um.
Well, I did shockingly at that.
7.
I haven't even thought of it.
It's so weird, like when you're on the spot,
No, it's
or
hard to think.
your mind just goes blank.
Oh no.
Like it was so hard for me to like think of songs then. So I could name like every Ariana song that there is, but when you're put on the spot, that's so difficult. So good luck. Okay.
I don't know.
Oh, my mouth that aches now. I could have done like some of the British ones.
Right. Got it.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This is me. That's so difficult. Million Dreams? What is that? Pass. Is that a different song? Do you get it? Million Dreams. I'm gonna be alright.
Yeah.
Be alright. Breathe in.
Yeah. I can't think of the rest of the song. What's the rest of the song?
I don't know what song it is.
I can't.
Blaze.
Yeah. Oh God.
Sense, tell me.
Yeah.
Defying gravity.
Yeah. I can't think of any more.
Go on, I need one more to beat you.
It was me that gets the point, did it?
Is it?
I don't know.
Come on. Imagine.
Yeah. It's really hard.
It is hard, isn't it? It's so difficult. That's what I mean. When you're put on the spot, it's so like.
The other one was tightrope, by the way. Is that a different song?
It's so difficult. They all like sounded the same.
They did, didn't they? A little bit.
Just a tad.
Just a little bit.
Alright. Was that it?
Yeah.
What the video? Oh, that was an exciting video, wasn't it? Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this random video that we just did. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And we'll see you guys next week for another video. I swear I put this on silent.
I mean, we're ending the video now, so.
Yeah, is it really? Well, no, because we've got another video to
yeah.
film, so. Bye! Bye!